Hi, Graham from Playfair Finance. I just wanted to go through the different debt structures that are available for development finance. There's an increasing number of lenders coming into the market, so there's no shortage of creativity when it comes to putting a deal together. But the main structures are a senior debt, so it's a single lend based on a first charge. That's kind of a standard process. The next level would be a mezzanine funder. Now, a mezzanine funder is a funder who comes in behind the senior debt provider and takes a second charge against the project. Now, the mezzanine funding is higher risk, and as a result it is more expensive in terms of rate and fees. Some senior debt providers would also look at doing a stretched senior debt. So effectively it's the same as having a senior debt with a mezzanine top-up fund, but it's the same lender doing both parts of the deal. It allows them to keep a bit more control. Obviously they've got the first charge, but it also lets them charge a little bit extra for the top-up money and take advantage of that additional risk if they're comfortable with the project. The other two really, which come down to potentially 100% funding, are if you have additional security to provide, then and it's collateral that is acceptable to the lender, then they would lend more money on the project and take a charge against that other asset. The final debt structure is joint venture. Now, joint venture can be just debt, or it can be debt and equity. Now, if it's equity, it's not the end of the world if you're using an SPV, because they're only taking equity in the special purpose vehicle that you have set up for that particular development and not in your business. But if it's just debt, then the risk is slightly mitigated for you, but it makes it slightly more expensive as well, because there's an element of profit that needs to be shared rather than just an interest payment to be made. So they're the kind of main structures that are available. So if one of those is for you, or you feel that you need to explore some of the more funky versions, then please give me a call and I'm happy to have a chat and see what your options might be.